Hello, everyone. Good afternoon, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Hello, good evening.
We'll wait for a few minutes for others to join. I think we can start. Can you hear me well?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay. Okay. Good evening, everyone. Let me know when you can see my screen. Okay. Hello, everyone. Welcome, everyone, to the Credible Weekly Community Call. So, we run this call under LFTT meetings. So we follow all the antitrust policy that LFTT has, and uh, we like everyone, since it is an open community, so we encourage and welcome everyone to contribute into the project and to add or to come into the call and just give the valuables. So let's have a look at today's agenda. So we will have a recap of the PRs that are raised, an overview of what has been done since past week, and we will check all the repositories that we have under Credible project, and we'll see the progress from there. And meanwhile, if anyone has anything to be discussed in this meeting today, so apart from the PRs that have been raised or issues that have been created, if there is anything, please add it to the wiki page of the meetings, or you can post it in the message for this meeting as well. So we will take up those discussions towards the end, or once we will finish the review. Okay, let me know if you can see uh, the Credible platform page. I hope you can see it. Okay.
I'm able to see the calendar. Yeah. Yes.
Can you see the platform pull requests?
No.
You can see it now, right?
Yes. We can.
Oh,
Yes. Yes.
okay. So I think I cannot see any new. There is one PR from Sujit to add one uh, runtime in platform. So I think we discussed this last time as well, right? Is there anything new that you have added, Sujit, in this?
No, no, no.
Yeah. Okay. There are no new PRs as of now, though we have some PRs which are to be reviewed. So let me check this.
New PRs might be in the close section.
Sorry.
New PRs might be in the close section. Yes.
Okay. Um, yeah, there are few things where we have changed the okay, the way we fetch the token from controller to platform. So those things, okay. And this DC API support is merged recently, right, Tipu?
Yes.
Do you want to give a brief about this?
Okay. So this we have added support for DC APIs in platform and controller as well. In this pair, just we have implemented just minor changes. We have added the few values related to DC API and the enum.
Okay, okay. The details, it was already included, though DC API
Yes.
support was already there in the earlier PR as well, right?
Yes. Right.
Mm. Okay. I think this was also merged recently from Pranali. This PR is to simplify and detach the onboarding workflow that we have for organization to create the organization and wallet and did. So we detach the wallet creation and did creation part uh, from the current onboarding workflow. Right? Is there anything else to update from this, Pranali?
No, we just detach the date creation from the existing route of the shared agent API.
Okay. And this is done for shared and dedicated agent both, right?
Yes, for dedicated, we already had the did create the API separately configured.
Okay.
So this is done only for the shared agent API.
Okay. Okay. And I think I think similar changes have been done on Studio as well, right?
Yes.
Okay. Is there anything specific in this PR Sahil that you want to highlight? Uh, that the changes that you have done for is Sahil on the call? I didn't check.
Yes.
Okay. Is there anything specific that you want to highlight in this PR? Refactor agent spin up scripts.
No, actually, hello.
Yes.
Yes, it was the like that code was not required, so I've just removed.
Okay, so it is refactoring only. Okay. Let's have a look at the issues if we have any current issues. Okay, there are no recent issues, or maybe in the closed one. Okay, these are all the issues that we are already working on. Okay. Let's switch to the PRs on Studio. Redirect issue for created component. This is, I think, in aligned with what you have done on the platform, right? To detach the did and wallet creation part, Pranali.
This redirection issue here was for client LS changes, which we have done for educators redirecting users from Studio to like other client LSs. And for that create detach create flow, we have another API. The
Redirect issue for created component. Okay.
yeah, so we change the
Route,
yeah.
basically. Okay.
So these two first two pairs are consecutive for the same issue, and for the detached date creation we had 1259.
Okay. 1259.
This one fourth number. Yeah.
Okay. Create wallet and read UI screen.
So we have done some refactor. We have refactored the UI screens, and as well as we have detached that date creation flow.
Okay. Now organization can create it after onboarding as well, after the complete creation of wallet and onboarding, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, great. Now, I think this PR is in review, right? On both the both platform and studio. So maybe we have to review this PR to add support for one. Let's have a look at controller too. Sorry. Okay. We have started upgrading the Credo TS version in the Credo controller to the latest release of Credo TS, right? 6.0.6.x. So I think Krishna has started working on it, it seems.
Yeah.
Yeah. Any updates or anything, Krishna, that you want to share?
Um, yeah, actually, we have started making changes. So right now, like we have made changes in the patches and the events along with how we like start the agent. Since 6.0.6.x has introduced like few changes in the way we initialize the agent, so that has been done. And apart from that, so like most of the changes that we are doing on the controllers of the agent, so we'll be uh, like creating separate PRs for them so that it becomes a bit easier for us to track what all has changed, and maybe someone from the team can get it can review it as well.
Okay, yes. So
Yeah.
if we can create module-wise PR, that will be fine for reviewer as well.
Yeah, right.
Yes, correct. Okay. And I think there is no new development issuance editor or an issuance using shared agent. Okay. This is the minor result formatted data. Okay. I think DC API support this one Tipu. This is in conjunction with the one that you have raised for platform, right?
Yes, right.
Yeah. Okay. Now, so our platform supports DC API entirely for issuance and verification.
Yes, right.
Okay. And do you think we should, okay, when we can have a release for this controller and platform? Like before, because this is the last draft release that I can see. Tags are getting created, but we can make. Is there any plan for release as well before upgrading the Credo TS? I was just thinking to ask this. So do we want to make a release before upgrading the Credo TS with whatever changes we have done or whatever features are there? Is it a good idea to have it, or we should do release after upgrading the Credo TS itself? What
Yeah,
everyone suggest?
we can like do that maybe. We can like have a release right before we maybe like release the OIDC changes.
Mm. Because
Yes, we can. Yeah, we can do that.
yeah, because there are breaking changes, right? Which will introduce after we will upgrade the Credo TS. So maybe
Right.
we whatever we have completed before that, we can have one release for it. And if someone wants to be on that update, they can just take till that release.
Yes, right.
Okay, we'll note it somewhere to have a release. And maybe for platform and studio also, we have to make parallel releases so that whatever changes we will do after it, it can be accommodated in the release.
Right.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes, Krishna.
Yeah, I think like the other day I was having a word with Wrinkle, and maybe we can also uh, merge the OIDC branch on platform to
Mhm.
main so that it won't like become like a bit difficult for us uh, to keep it in sync with main, because what we have done is on platform we have added the functionality or a configuration to disable OIDC, so that way we won't be able to see the controllers.
Correct.
So the code would still be there, but it would be disabled so that everyone would be able to consume.
Mm.
Once maybe we update the controller, then we can maybe enable it and then have like a proper release for OI with all the OIDC features.
Yes, we can do that. Mm. We can at least create a draft PR for that. so that we can start removing and merge that branch into main branch only.
Yeah, I think there's already a PR that Wrinkle has created, but there were some,
This one
yeah, there were some like suggestions from
would wrap it.
more than some suggestions.
Yeah, there are a lot of suggestions.
Yes, there are like around 200 comments. So we have Wrinkle was like trying to get them resolved.
Oh, okay. It's a huge PR.
Yeah, right.
Okay. Maybe we someone else can work with with Wrinkle to resolve this, because I think there are a
Yeah.
lot of things to do. And then we have to review this PR as well entirely. Yes, we can target to do this. And take it in the release that we are talking about.
Yes.
Sounds good. Okay. I think there are few new open PRs as well. We may have to add few suggestions as well here. Okay.
Yeah, I
It's
think
already.
for this PR, yeah, commits were like verified.
Hmm. Okay, I think that's it that we have from all the repositories and updates. Is there anything else that we have to discuss, or any other thing that we want to discuss? One suggestion, I think I was looking at this PR. These time to live and everything, can we move this to ENV files instead of constants? Because whenever I'll be deploying, whenever anyone will be using Credible platform, right? They may have to they want to configure these things as per their needs, and this may vary from deployment to deployment and requirement to requirement, right? So we can have few of these variables take out from constants and have them in environment as environment variable.
Yeah, but
Whatever.
as a default option, so we should remove the default option then, because this was as a default fallback option if the ENV variable was not provided in that case.
Okay, then if the ENV is not provided, then let's keep the default as is and then provide things from ENV only, like updated things from ENV.
Yes. Yes.
So because if there is any change, then the
Mm.
deploying or the one who is using can set it from the ENV variable. We don't have to like update the constants every now and then.
So the by default, whatever value was there, it was too short, like 1 minute, and it used to expire very quickly when we upload the file and leave it for a minute, it would immediately get expired. So the default value was too short. That's why I increased it to 15 minutes. Yeah, and the user can, of course, if he wants, he can add whatever he wants from the ENV.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay. Okay, fine. Is there anything to discuss apart from these?
Nothing from my side.
Okay. I think we are good for today then, if I also don't have anything from my side as such. Just one thing to add, we in the discussions we have added earlier to update the document, the like credible document. So I think we have to maybe create issues or some action items or good first issues to improve the documentation a bit. So we will have to start on that area. And if there are any other suggestions on how we can improve the documentation for the contributors to contribute and to make it understood more readable and someone to understand, they can post it on the discussion itself. Okay. Okay. Uh, Thank you, everyone. If there is nothing else to discuss.
Thank you.
Yes. Okay.
Thank you.
See you. Bye.